Greetings, sixth grade friends. For this week's homework, we're going to look at non-fiction text features. We're going to look at two types of text. The first one is your social studies text, chapter 4 of your social studies text, and we're also going to look at an online science article. And to make sure that you're held accountable for that, there's a couple of graphic organizers you're going to use as you work and explore the nonfiction texts. The first organizer that you're going to use is this one right here. It's called Search and Find. And basically you're going to explore the chapter. Remember, it's chapter 4. And when you use this graphic organizer, you're going to make sure that any titles you find are right here, the subtitles. If you have more than one, you can see on this example, this is from a separate chapter, so no copying. Every time you find another subtitle, you're just going to make a tally mark. You don't have to write every subtitle of the entire chapter. So, for example, when you come across, if we come right down here to a table or a chart, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to write down the title of the first table or chart that you come across. But for the rest of chapter 4, you're just going to make a tally mark for each additional table or chart that you find. Okay? If you have questions about that, you can post that. The second organizer that we're going to be looking at is this one entitled Big Fox. And Big Fox shows, is really an acronym, meaning bold words. You're going to list any words or phrases that are in bold print. You're going to list any words you find that are in italics, any graphics you see. And then these are the pre-reading strategies. Afterwards, the Fox piece, this is the after reading strategies. You're going to list any facts that you find in the article, any opinions you find, and then this X marks the spot, or at least the main point. In 2 to 3 sentences, you're going to write a main point of the article. And so that you make sure that you're on the right piece, what you're going to do is you're going to copy and paste this URL address into your web browser, and then so that you make sure you're in the right place. Here's a little screenshot of where you should be. The site is called Chem for Kids, right here, and then the title is called Chemical versus Physical Change. Please bring your finished work with you on Friday so that we can compare similarities and differences between nonfiction texts that we might encounter in a textbook versus an article we might see online or in a magazine.